Hi guys, today we are going to show you a cool trick with the TikTok application. So how to turn on the front flash on TikTok during the recording. So let's do it and let's go to the TikTok application. As you can see, we are on our profile page, and after that let's tap on the plus icon to start new video recording. Perfect. Later, so if you are in the total dark and want to record some new TikTok, how to turn on the torch on the front camera. So let's do it. First of all, we have to go to the settings application before the shooting. So let's do it. We are in our settings. Later, we have to choose the accessibility option and tap on the display and size feature. Amazing. Let's find the classic invert feature and tap on the switch opposite. Amazing. Let's go to our TikTok application again, and let's turn on the highest level of the display brightness. I'm so sorry, we need to go to our TikTok app, and to check the result I have to turn off all my lamps. Perfect. As you can see, we have really very high level of the light, so I hope that this will work. I will use this logo to check the result after the recording. And let's start after tapping on the central bottom. As you can see, it's not red right now but blue. So I forgot to say that this option is of course possible only on iPhones, because we have only these settings here, but you can also try it on Android. So let's tap on the button. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. I have to turn on my lamps, and later let's disable this level of the brightness. So I will set this brightness level, and after go to the settings again to disable the classic invert option after tapping on the toggle. Let's go to our TikTok. I have to tap on the check mark to save our shooting, and let's check the result. Amazing. I think that it's a real torch, and you can definitely use this cool trick. We hope that you like this video, and if it's true, please tap on the like button below. Don't forget to subscribe to our TikTok, HardReset.Info, and of course YouTube channels. Goodbye!